Okay, student, then this is the exercise in which I have considered gap filling at first. That what type of question will come. It will be in a format of your fill-ups. I have written your 4-5 statement in a form of paragraph, but in exam you will get one or two from each topic, so that it would be only and only 12 question. Okay. So let me to read. Yesterday, a rich woman from West Bengal dashed to Delhi to buy jewelry. Okay. And option is come, comes, came, coming. Now here they were talking about of the yesterday. It means past tense. So from here, what would be the right answer? Came. Okay. You can see here came. We will write here came. She was sitting outside dash jewelry shop. Okay, and option is a, and, the, some. Okay, and you will read the statement again. She was sitting outside, and will not become. Why it will not come? Because and we are using before the vowels a, e, i, o, u. The jewelry shop is not accurate, so answer will be a determiners a, outside a jewelry shop. Suddenly two young boys came there dash, and, or, third fill-ups option is and, or, but, how. So what would be here? Suddenly two young boys came there. Full stop we haven't done. Dash snatched the chain. So what would be here? And snatched the chain that she was dash. Means option is wear, again wear, then wore, and then wearing. So that she was, what will be here? Wear? No. Wore, second form? No. Wearing, because it was continue. Present continuous tense. But here we are talking about of the past, means wearing. Okay. Now then she called the police dash the snatcher had run away. Then what would be the answer? Your option is so, because, but, only. And again she called the police, the snatcher had run away. So it will be she called the police so the snatcher? No. She called the police because the snatcher? No. She called the police but the snatcher. So but will come here. Okay, got it? So when you have to fill the paragraph, or it will be in a form of a statement, you have to take care that what type of preposition, determiners, tenses you have to fill in the gap. You have to read the statement carefully. Okay, and the second topic I have taken from the editing. Before I'll start, let me to clear what is editing, or what do we mean by the editing. Okay, editing, there is an error in each line, so write the error and its correction. Each line you will find some error, but two fill-ups is there, so you have to write the error. What is the error in this line and what is the correct word will be at the place of error. Okay, so in editing you have to fill both column. Okay, now in your first line, The statement is people of diverse cultures lives together in India. You have to find out that what is the mistake here, and options are leave, leaves, off, on. Obviously option would be given that what is the mistake, and what is the right answer also would be given in your option. So leaves and leaves. So what is the mistake? That is your leaves. Instead of leaves, what should be there? Leave together. Okay, so this is the incorrect and this is the correct option. Okay, second line, there is many people. There is many people, and option is, are, on, off. Obviously along with there is will not come because we were talking about of many. We are talking about of many people. So you have to read the sentence very carefully. Instead of there, what should be? Are. So mistake is, incorrect is and are will be your right answer. Okay. Third is who exhibit unity on diversity. Okay. Now what would be the error? You have to find out that what has given here. The is there in this line? No. On is there? Yes, it's here. So who exhibit unity, incorrect is on, or instead of on, what should be there? In. Who exhibit unity in diversity. Okay. Next, they celebrated different festivals together. Now in your option, they, those, celebrated, celebrate. You will get confused here because they is also given, even celebrated is also given. So you have to read the statement very carefully so you will not get the confusion and will clarify the right option from here. Okay. So they definitely will be here. Celebrated has given, and instead of celebrated, celebrate should be there. You read they celebrate different festivals together. So here celebrated is the incorrect and correct is celebrate. Okay.